Okay, so I'm in Adobe Dreamweaver, and I'm just using this as a text editor that's going to highlight code for us. And I'm switching back and forth between the code and the design view. This is some basic stuff for those who need some basic knowledge. Okay, so these are my words. I want them bold. Okay, so if I want to make these words bold, and this is the code view, if I want to make these words bold in the design view, I just need to put strong tags around the text. If I start typing a caret, you'll notice that you get a drop down, and basically as you start typing something out, you'll notice that Dreamweaver will start selecting things that you may want to select. If I just click enter, because it has it selected, it's going to put strong there. And I can close that opening strong tag and go to the end. I open the caret. If I just click the slash button, just press the slash button once, it's going to close that tag for me. I go to the design mode. Now the text is bold. Hooray! Okay, I could do this for italic. I want this word italic. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and put the embellish tag around italic. And then just type EM and put it around italic. Go over here and look. Now the word italic is italic. Okay, now in my code view, I have these two different pieces of code on different lines. But if I look in design view, they're on one line. This is because I have not told the code that I want to break it up. I can do that a couple different ways. I can type in a break here, or I can put it over here, or we could even do this, and it's all going to render the same. I'm putting a break in the code. See if I go back one, it's the same. It's going to ignore the white space in the code. So I could either use a line break, or I can make these paragraphs. Just put some opening and closing paragraph tags around this text. And now you see they're on two lines and they have more space between them. So it's not on the very next line. I could demonstrate this real quick. BR. This okay, so you see the difference now between the line break and the paragraph. Okay, what are some other things that we went over in the post? Headings. Headings will break the line as well. So if I want to put a heading over here, H1, which is the largest heading. And I go back to my design view. See how it's breaking. It's breaking the code. It's on another line, and the heading is bold and large. This puts more emphasis on it for someone who's reading the content, and for search engines. It helps search engines search your content as well. And let's see, if I wanted to make an unordered list, UL, there's my unordered list open tag, my close tag. Now we just can give it list items. List 1, list 2, list 3. Okay, and maybe I want to go ahead and put a little spacing in these guys so I can see that they're inside of this group of tags. And now you can see my own ordered list. Alright, so that's just going back and forth using some basic tag principles. I'm going to go ahead and try to keep my code clean. By keeping it clean, I'm trying to organize it in a fashion that I can easily scan the code. So if I need to go back and troubleshoot something, I can find what I'm looking for easy. It's real easy to see it in this example, but when you have a large amount of code, having clean, organized code will definitely help you scan through it. It's better to get started practicing that now than trying to end up doing it later. Thanks.